Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make chocolate bonbons at home. Begin by gathering chocolate, molds, a thermometer, and fillings like ganache, caramel, or fruit puree. Temper the chocolate carefully, coat molds, and chill between layers for crisp shells. Pipe or spoon in fillings, leaving room for a final shell layer. Finish with a sealing coat, decorate as desired, and allow full set before unmolding and storing in a cool place. In this video, I will explain how to temper chocolate for bonbons. Use a thermometer and heat chocolate to its melting point, then cool it down to the working temperature needed for your chocolate type. Seed tempering or tabling methods both work well at home. Choose one that fits your space. Keep the chocolate fluid and glossy, reheating very gently if needed, and avoid moisture to prevent seizing and dull finish. In this video, I will review a quick recommendation midway through our bonbon guide. Quick recommendation: if you want your car to smell great after chocolate runs or baking trips, grab Little Tree's Black Ice for a clean, masculine scent that lasts. It pairs strangely well with dessert road trips and keeps the cabin inviting. If you like this tip, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will help you fill and mold bonbons with confidence. After creating a stable shell, add your chilled fillings like ganache, caramel, or nut praline, leaving space for the final sealing layer. Tap molds lightly to remove trapped air and use a piping bag or spoon for neat placement. Seal with tempered chocolate, scrape excess, and chill until fully set so the bonbons release cleanly and hold their shape.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.